how to turn on people you might know push notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on people you might know push notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings and then notifications, and here you will find people you might know. Click on it and then just turn this one on and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.